in the way. I'll go this way. I'm hiding a corner. Silvio records. Okay. Ready?
Good to go. All right. My name's Avery Hintz. I'm with USA Fire Protection, by the way. We're here to go over the fire sprinkler system that was installed within the building. So where we are right now is in the water meter room. This is where the main water income is into the building. You can see that you have your domestics up here, and then down here it actually tees off into your fire protection water here. You have two what are called OS&Y valves. These are your main shutoffs to your building for the sprinkler system. All your control valves are monitored too. So if you move a wheel, it'll send a signal to a panel saying there's been a valve tampered with. The monitoring company will get that too, but that doesn't sound off in alarm. So,
which valves turn off to the units?
These two right here.
Oh, those big ones.
Yep,
okay.
The big ones, yes.
Okay.
In the middle of these two valves,
we have to turn off. We have to turn off this one first or that one?
Either or.
Either or.
Yep. Either or will shut off the system.
Okay.
In the middle here, you have what is called your backflows. So what that does is keeps out your dirty, stinky, corroded fire protection water, etc. And also, what they want is for annual testing and certification too. So once a year, they come in, inspect and test it, make sure that there's check valves inside there, making sure that those seals shut too, so no water backs into the system or into the domestics from the city itself, and just making sure that it's doing its job, such as keeping that fire protection water in the system too.
Is it 1 year from today, or is it?
It is 1 year, so this was last tested 2/20/20, so 1 year from February 20th.
Okay.
Yep. So you got a little while left.
Okay.
Which we can definitely set up something to do for us too, if you'd like, for your backflows. But yeah, this is your main water income room, your backflow room, your main control valves for your fire protection in this water meter room itself. It leads up to here, and it actually leads over to the pump room where we're just in.
So these two are the main ones to shut off for the apartment. What are these guys?
Those are your domestics.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, domestic water, and then you have your fire protection water down there.
Okay.
I mean, there wouldn't be a reason for us to shut it down. I mean, obviously an emergency, but the fire department would take control at that point if it would be like a fire or whatever.
Our main thing is, like, if we have to shut off water in an apartment, we just shut it off at the local valve.
Yep.
This, we wouldn't have to touch any of it.
And I'll show you too, because for fire protection, there's isolation valves for each floor also.
Okay.
It's a combination test and drain. So the drain is there, and then that's also where, if we're coming in next year for our inspectors, for your annual testing, that's where they would go to actually flow water to test the water flow switch, which I can show you too.
Okay.
It's testing the water flow switch, and then I can show you where everything is too.
Okay.
So.
And this is just a drain for what?
And who's gonna come to check like every year?